The fourth and final question that we need to talk through today, not forgetting that we will do another feedback lesson on Thursday to go through some more, is question number 9. For this question, we're asked to write these numbers from the smallest size. Therefore, we're writing them in ascending order. So what I need to do is make these equivalent to one another. In this case, it is easiest to make everything into a decimal, and then it's much easier for me to compare them. The first number is already a decimal, so that's not a problem. But I need to make 4/3 into a decimal. Remember that any fraction just means a division, so this means 4 divided by 3. Well, 3 goes into 4 one time, remainder 1. 3 goes into 10 3 times, remainder 1. 3 goes into 10 3 times, remainder 1, etc. It's going to be 1.3 recurring. Okay? So underneath that, I'm going to say 1.3 recurring. The next one, 0.24, is already a decimal, so that's fine. The next one, 1/5, you might know that as a decimal already, but in case you don't, you can do a bus stop division as well. You're doing 1 divided by 5. 5 doesn't go into 1, so I need to do 5s into 10, calling on my decimal place and a 0. 5s into 10 go twice. So as a decimal, 1/5 is 0.2. The next one, 2/2, think about it. 2/2 is just a division. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1.0 if you wanted it to be a decimal. When you then need to put those in order from smallest to largest, again, at this point you might be able to fill that in easily. If you can't do it so easily, you can write them as a column. So 0.39, 1.33 recurring, 0.24, 0.2, and 1.0. Fill up the extra placeholders with zeros. Then I'm going along my rows looking for which one is the smallest. So my smallest ones would be these 0 ones here, first of all. So then I go to the next digit. The smallest are these 2s. Then I go to the next digit. The smallest is that 0. So my smallest number must be 0.2. I'm going to first of all just write these down here for now. So 0.2 is my smallest. My next smallest would be 0.24, and I'm crossing that off. Then 0.39, I can cross that off. Now I'm on to the 1s. I go to the next digit along. I'm comparing the 3 and the 0. Well, the smallest would be the 1.00. Cross it off. And finally, 1.33. Now, what's easy mistake to make would be to put those decimals straight onto the row here. You don't want to do that because in order to get all 3 marks in this question, you need to convert them back to their originals. So 0.2, that's not how we were given it in the question. We were given it as 1/5. 0.24, yes, we were given as 0.24. 0.39, also we were given as a decimal. 1.00, we weren't given it in that form. We were given it as 2/2. Then 1.33, recurring, we also weren't given in that form. We were given it as 4/3. So when you put your answers back onto your answer line, you need to fill it in as those originals. 0.24, 0.39, 2/2, and 4/3. Okay, Year 7, that is it for the videos. You now need to complete the last couple of forms questions, and then there is also a consolidate activity for you as well. Any problems or questions for any of these, please do give me a shout on Show My Homework, and I'll speak to you soon.